story of a cat named Polly that was empowering 20 lovely teens. All of them had pills of power, just like their task force, the youngest one in coast. Here's a story of a training leader who was busy with 6 weeks of her own. All passionate about state issues, yet they were all alone. Till that one day when the cat met this leader, and they knew that it was much more than a hunch, that this group would somehow form a movement. And that's the way we all became the training bunch, the training bunch, the training bunch. That's the way we